Hey guys, Riley Gamer here, and I just looked at my videos, and with the little yoga challenge that me and my cousin did, we got 585 views, guys. Oh my god! Wow, dude, that's just amazing. 585 views. Yes, I know, Alexa. But 585 views? Guys, that is amazing. I need to do more challenges for you guys, because you guys thought I was entertaining, I think. But oh my god. I'm so happy about that. 585 views. What the heck, guys? I don't even have that many subscribers. Oh, I'm so excited. It's amazing. So, I really thank you guys about that. That's actually really amazing, guys. I can't believe that. I can't stop smiling. So, you guys want another challenge video, I see. I will do more challenge videos for you guys, since it seems like people like it, and so yeah, I'm really happy. I can't believe that happened. I'm excited. I know 585 views is nothing compared to what people from like the famous people do, like Sam McColby, Roman Atwood, and stuff like that. But I know that doesn't really matter for the views for them, but it matters to me because I only have 25 subscribers, so I depend on the views and what people see me do and stuff like that. So I'm actually really happy about that. Oh my gosh. Wow. 585 views, guys. How amazing is that? Like, yeah, people get 1 million views and stuff like that, but I'm a beginner vlogger, so like, it's gonna break through. But school's been good. We got 2 more weeks before finals, and then we're out for the semester. And I'm actually really happy. And if you guys see me look this way, it's because like my camera's right here, not right here, because I want to see myself talk and see what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm actually really happy. That just made my day. Let's see what we did. We did research for humanities, and we did more math. It was sort of an easy day. I mean, I was kind of feeling rushed because we have to finish a book almost at the finals. And like, yeah, I'm hooked to the book and stuff like that, and I can't stop putting it down, but it kind of gets old sometimes. And I have to finish trying to read the right strategies, and I don't know if I can. I get it, Alexa! Jeez! But, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just checking, who's coming through the door because I can see people. Like my mom, my brothers, my sisters, my dad, and everything. Because they walk this way, and if they don't walk that way, then they walk upstairs. Because this is the only way to get to the living room and kitchen. Well, sort of. But, yeah, I've been doing good. So comment down more challenges below. Like, I can see that you guys like them, and I can see that you guys want more. So, comment down below what you guys want me to do. Like, seriously, people. Comment. I don't want to be a boring YouTube channel. I want to be a interactive and entertaining stuff. And for the future, I can see what I've done and stuff like that. And it's going to be cool. And I'm going to like it. I'm going to post my videos when they go up. Even though my... Really? But, so... I don't know if I talked to you about my ex, but we had complications, and he sits really close to me now, and he keeps on staring at me. I don't really like it. He, like, on my last place where we went, he stared at me a lot. Like, he was directly, so here's my table, and then his table was like right there, and he was sat right like on the far side table, and it was so weird, and I didn't like it at all. It was so awkward. I was about to go up and him saying, "Stop. I'm over you, dude. I'm over you." But yeah. I told you guys that I would post weekly. I'm sorry that I missed last week because I had to take care of my niece, my nephews, and I also had to, someone's calling me. Who's calling me? I also had to go to my cousin's house. Well, my grandma's house, pretty much, and we did a bunch of stuff. I'll show you one thing we did. I like my fan. I get it. Okay, so it's a little wonky, but let's see. It's a little bubbly too. There, careful, because this foundation is kind of open. That won't fall. And then we it's just like dry. Huh. 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 Let's take it out. Doesn't really do it anymore. So here's my slime. I got slime. It's not sticky at all, see? It's supposed to make that noise. There we go. There's that noise. But this is my slime. We made it actually when she first moved here. And I know it looks kind of brownish in here, but it's not. It's like very light purple. Just gotta spread it. I know you guys must think I'm childish to play with slime. You know what? Slime helps. So this is my brother. No one, I'm on the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
So yeah, this is my brother. His YouTube channel is Battering Boy.
No, it's not.
No, what is it?
Don't know what.
Zachary, did you remember that there's a card in there?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.